Hi nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel and to another video. To be honest, I wasn't going to record this one, but because it's so quick and simple and easy, but every time I seem to do these quick, simple, easy tutorials, or nails, I mean, somebody asked me, how did you do that? Oh, I love that. Why didn't you post a video on it? So I'm going to do it, and it's only going to be like a 3-minute video because it's so easy. So I have applied some white polish, and over that I have applied this essence. Now look how cute that bottle is, and when you line it up, it has little eyes. So cute. It's called My Highlighter. I actually thought it was like more of a lemon, but it's kind of more of that bright greeny yellow that comes in a highlighter marker. I have put one coat of white under it, so I'm going to go in with some Lena plates here, and I'm just going to go in with the splodge and the little I love street art with this spray paint sign. Yeah, and I'm going to use some hollow polishes over it. I've never stamped with these before because they are not stamping polishes, they are regular polishes, but we'll see, do they work? And we're going to go in with bachelor pads. These are all cupcake polishes, suitor on a scooter, and the pink one is called Berry Looking Good. So there we have it, plain and simple. So I will rinse and repeat on the other hand to clean up and top coat, and I will be back. So here we have it all cleaned up, all oiled up and top coated, and when you move your nails around I can definitely see that hollow, now not like hollow linear when you paint those colours on your nails, but there's definitely a hollow shift going through it. I would love to stamp with these over white just to see how they go, because it would definitely be more of that hollow when you're doing it over the white rather than over this highlighter yellow. But I like how they turned out. I know they're quite simple and maybe a bit boring for a tutorial because it's just plain and simple stamping, but yeah, that's what they are. So if you like them, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.